Samsung 80 cm, 32-inch, HD-ready LED Smart Tizen TV. Impeccable HD picture quality. With this Samsung TV's high-end HD image quality, you can watch your favorite movies in all their vibrant, clear clarity. 1 remote superiority. You can access a wide variety of content with one remote. Everything from operating your set-top box to managing applications, your gaming console, and even live TV can be done from the place you are sitting. Splendid HDR. High dynamic range boosts your TV's brightness so you can see a wide range of colors and fine details even in dimly lit environments. Poor color supremacy. Watching films with poor color virtually transports you there. It allows the TV to display a wide variety of colors for optimum image quality and an engaging watching experience. Exceptional Ultra Clean View. This TV's Ultra Clean View function produces high-resolution images with minimal distortion by using an innovative algorithm to evaluate the source material and give superior detail. Brilliant Contrast Enhancer. This TV's contrast enhancer, which enhances contrast and provides excellent picture quality with enhanced depth, helps to bring the dull image to life. Sophisticated connection. Stay amused at all times by connecting your favorite multimedia and entertainment to your TV and flawlessly watching films, listening to music, or viewing photographs via a USB link. High-quality productivity. Work from home while watching TV. You can wirelessly mirror your computer's display on the TV via remote access. From the convenience of your sofa, you can even connect to your office PC to access data or work on projects using Microsoft Office 365. Micro Dimming Pro. Feel the color and detail of the shadows with Micro Dimming Pro, which divides the screen into zones and examines every segment for profound blacks and true whites. Dolby Digital Plus. Thanks to Dolby Digital Plus, you can experience a 360-degree immersive sound system with a 3D sound that is driven by multi-channel audio, enabling you to sway with your favorite music. Seamless mirroring. To get the most out of your entertainment, allow your smartphone and smart TV to collaborate. Furthermore, make the large screen come alive by playing your music and videos there and enjoy an exemplary visual experience. For more information, description link. Thanks for watching. Like, comment and subscribe.